Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be taking you shopping with me inside Ikea to check out what's new for this season. Right now it's kind of mid-fall, getting into winter, so now is the time where they start bringing out brand new things again. And that's my favorite time to come to Ikea, so I'm so excited. I know they're going to have a lot of new things, a lot of winter items, Christmas items. I'm looking for decor pieces, organization products, different things for makeovers I'm working on. I have a bathroom I'm working on, a dining room, so I'll have my eye out for lots of things, but I love taking you guys along with me so you can check out what's in stores as well. So if you enjoy watching and want to see more shop with me videos, give this video a big thumbs up right now and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming makeovers. Let's head inside and see what they've got. So there was no lines at all getting inside today. I definitely recommend planning an Ikea trip on a weekday. It's just a lot easier to get around. But I just spotted these brand new baskets. You guys know I love baskets, and these ones are beautiful. I love the shape of them. I'm also seeing these little stackable baskets that come in a little set of 2 with this nice blue lid. They're adding so many new things in here, and I can just spot them all over the showroom. I also saw this little set of 2 black baskets, and these are really modern looking, as well as glass sets as well. These are little like glass jars, which I think would be really cute for organizing small things, jewelry, keys, or even candy. That would be really cute. These chairs are really interesting. They're brand new, they're simple, but they're also a very distinct style, so I think they could work in a specific space, but the black one is definitely my favorite. Throwing a nice fur throw over it would look beautiful. That's pretty much the only new chair, but they do have new sofas in right now. This is the new sectional that they have that also comes in different sizes. They have a small sectional here with a chaise, a full-size couch, and a love seat. So they're all different prices depending on the size, but they do really look like the Pottery Barn dupes, so it is a more affordable option if you like this style of couch. Looks very plush and comfortable and pretty neutral looking. Now here's a good space-saving new product here. This is a sleeper sofa that is a full-size couch but turns into a bed. So if you don't have a guest room and you need that extra sleeping space, this would be really great to have in your living room. I like that it has one solid cushion along the bottom. It just makes it look a lot more modern. I thought Ikea brought out a ton of new stuff in the fall, and they're bringing out even more now. I'm seeing so many new signs all over the store. Now I found a new coffee table, and this is really pretty, really interesting. It's $100 and it has these nice simple gold legs, a really black sleek look, looks very modern, glam. The only thing is it does show a lot of fingerprints. It would be something you'd have to clean up a lot, but I think it's really cute. Now, I'm sure you guys all know about the Billy bookcases. These are a really great, affordable, beautiful option that Ikea has to kind of create a built-in look, and they came out with a new color. So now they have the Billy bookcase in this dark blue kind of navy, and I think it's to match their new kitchen line. They have blue cabinets now, but this is really interesting. If you're into adding color into your built-ins, this is definitely an easy, affordable way of doing it. As you can see, they have different styles that they carry here, traditional, industrial. There's so much to choose from. They even have this new collection here that's really different. I've never seen this size and style here at Ikea. It's kind of a nice in-between of a small cabinet with a large cabinet. It's a little mix of both and has shelves underneath that you can cover with the cabinet doors and open shelving on top. I see it in the white and the gray, and then it also comes in this more dresser buffet buffet style cabinet with this nice lip on top, which is really great for storing things. Things won't slide off of it. It has a very traditional look to it. And then if you want something more modern, this is a really nice piece. It looks like a beautiful solid piece of wood, but they have these nice tap to close and open cabinet doors with a drawer inside, some nice legs, and I just think it looks very architectural. This size here would be a really nice alternative to a media unit. I love the use of sideboards and buffets as media units, and then they also have it in a tall version, so there's cabinet doors on top with drawers underneath. I love going around the showroom and getting new ideas for organization and styling. They have this brand new kitchen setup and they're highlighting this open concept pantry. And they have pantry organization down in here. This is beautiful with stunning jars and containers and organizers. Just looking at this makes me want to reorganize every single corner of the house. Here is something that I definitely want to look into and see if I can fit it under my cabinets. This is a roll-out garbage recycling drawer, and I love that it rolls in and out of your cupboards, but it also snaps into place like that. I think this would be perfect. I just need to do some measuring and see if this can work in my space. I also found this new pillow on this bed, styled right in the front. I think it's so pretty. It's this nice kind of lumbar style pillow, really fuzzy, and it just looks like winter. So that's definitely part of their winter collection. And I'm seeing a brand new dresser, which is kind of a new layout to the Malm dresser. So if you like the simplicity of the Malm one, you'll probably like this one as well. This is 2 slimmer drawers on the top and then 3 bigger drawers on the bottom. So I think there's more storage in this. It's a taller height, but there's definitely different dresser options here. I even really like this one. I like that each little drawer is small, and I feel like that could keep things more organized. You could put shirts in one, shorts in the other, and keep things really separated with all the different drawers. Now, if you're living in a space that doesn't have closets or doesn't have enough closet space, this section is where you should be looking. This is the wardrobe section, and these open wardrobes like this are becoming very popular. They do force you to stay a little cleaner, a little more organized, because everything needs to be hung up and it's on display, but they also have really great affordable options for wardrobes like this, where you can close the doors, you can have things hanging on top, you can store things below, and they really are just the perfect alternative to a closet. Even a front closet if you don't have a front closet, if you don't have an entryway space that stores all your stuff, this is a really great option. This one is a lot more simple. I would say this is kind of like the most basic of basics. It doesn't have any detail along the front, but maybe if you're storing winter coats in your basement and you want to put them away, that would be a good style to choose. If you like the style of that half cabinet we saw earlier, they also have the wardrobe here to match, and this full-length dresser here at a really, really great price. Now working my way into the kids section. I think this section is always so fun and exciting. I found this brand new light fixture, which is so sweet and simple. If you're looking for a light fixture, that one is really cute. They always do a really good job of creating these little themes in the kids section. So there's this really sweet kind of hot air balloon theme going on in here. They have brand new bowls and plastic cutlery. This is all made out of recycled plastic as well, so it's more sustainable. I really like that soft color palette. And the new Lego collaboration. I really wanted to check this out. I heard so much about it. Lego partnered with Ikea, which I think is the coolest thing ever. If you have kids in your family, you know how messy Lego can get, pieces everywhere, so I think this collaboration is super cool. They actually come with these Lego boxes that you can store all your pieces inside, And the point is to build on top of the box, and you can have your work on display. Kids love to see what they've done. So I think this is the smartest collaboration, mixing organization, storage, and toys all together in one. Alright, now downstairs to the market hall. This is my favorite place to go. There's so much new stuff down here as well that wasn't shown upstairs. I just found their new oven mitt, which is a silicone oven mitt, and that is the best kind. You never feel the heat through them, and they're so much easier to clean. I think I spotted my first sign of winter down here. They have these snowflake cookie cutters, heart-shaped cookie cutters. Trust me, there's a lot more Christmas and winter stuff downstairs here. They also have really great container options, more like back-to-school lunch type things. This snap-together container is great because it separates food. And these, I think I saw these on TikTok, and I can't believe I'm finding them here. They're this little silicone kind of rubber thing that you can wrap your food and beverages in and keep things sealed up so you don't have to constantly be using plastic wrap. More winter items. I don't think everything is out yet, but I'm definitely seeing the first of it. I think these would be so cute with candies or some chocolate inside. It's just so sweet for the holiday season. I see that they have these little trays back in, and they have a new wood style one. And these are great for obviously like breakfast in bed, that type thing, but they're also great for doing your homework and for using your laptop while you're in your bed or a couch. I highly recommend those as a little mini desk. There are so many different throws to pick from, different colors, styles, fringe on the end, tassels, but I really love this last one. This is chunky and thick and plush and knitted and knotted, and I love it so much. I see new tags all over this throw pillow section, but I'm back to this fuzzy gray and white pillow. I think it looks really beautiful with the jewel tone red. So nice for the holiday season. Now onto the curtain section. I'm always here looking for new curtains, and they just came out with these new linen ones. They do kind of wrinkle a little bit more, but I think they're really pretty if you love the look of linen. Now off to the bathroom section. I am currently working on a bathroom makeover, so I have my eye out for specific things, but I just found these amazing peel and stick wall hooks. I didn't know they had peel and stick here. These are brand new, and these are perfect for renters. They peel and stick onto the wall, you won't damage anything, they're removable, and they also have suction cup items as well. This is brand new as well, suction cup toilet paper hanger and towel rod. So no damage to your space. If you need that extra storage, extra hanging options, they have it here. Again, what's an IKEA video without checking out the basket section? And they have brand new baskets. This one is so cute. I think it would be beautiful hung up on a wall, and you can store towels in it. I picture this being in a bathroom. I think that would be really cute. And then this special basket. I have my eye on this. I think I'm getting these two because these are really cute. I love the handles on them. and they have these nice black ones. These are a lot more modern looking, a really nice twist on the rattan material, and they have this new full-size basket that I think would be really nice for like a planter pot to put a nice tree in, a faux tree. Baskets are so great for everything. Okay, this wall sconce is amazing. I think this would look so beautiful beside a bed on either side. You can swivel the light back and forth. This would even look really nice spray painted like black or gold. That piece is stunning. I was always hoping that Ikea was going to bring out some more rugs soon, and they definitely have different patterns and styles and sizes, but I especially love this one. This is plush and thick and knotted and so comfortable. That would really make a living room very, very cozy. They also have this more modern style one that's a little silvery, so that's really cool as well. So many different options and styles in the rug section. They also have some brand new mirrors in here for all of the people that love boho style. These are perfect. They're nice kind of rattan, natural woven mirrors. And I also found this really great space-saving mirror. This is like a swivel mirror on this back rod that has hooks, places to hang clothes. This could be kind of like an all-in-one mini closet, so really love that. So in the last section of Ikea where they have all the plants and faux plants, they have a bunch of Christmas stuff coming out. It's not full yet, but it's here. Look at this basket Christmas tree. Like, are you kidding me? This is just me. This is the coolest thing ever. I could see twinkle lights in it, ornaments on top. I think that is like the most boho looking, cutest thing ever. A basket Christmas tree. Who would have thought?
Okay, wow, they have so much new stuff in there. I expected them to have some new things, but they're really bringing out a lot of the Christmas stuff. So I think when I come back, maybe in November, they'll have it all out. So that'll be really exciting. Stay tuned for a winter holiday shop with me video at Ikea. They have so much good stuff in there, new decor pieces, new organization products, a lot of handmade things. So everything was really, really beautiful. They just keep upping their game, in my opinion. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite thing from today's video was. What is the item that you have your eye on that you would head back to Ikea for? If you enjoyed watching and want to see more shop with me videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned on so you don't miss the upcoming content. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!